Hello friends, today we are going to make a recipe, jackfruit wheat steam cake. So all of you try this recipe. Today my mother is going to make this recipe. So let's start.
Hello friends, today we are going to see a new recipe, that is jackfruit wheat puttu. Otherwise it is called as steam cake. Okay, so this jackfruit, this is made by my mother-in-law. She used ripened jackfruits and jaggery syrup and ghee for making this one, and we can store this for a long time. I kept it in the freezer, and yesterday overnight I take from the freezer and keep it in the normal place in the fridge, and now I am using this for making this puttu. Okay, and you want to take some coconut. So first we want to make a dough with this wheat puttu powder. Okay, I am using wheat put powder. It is a coarsely grinded powder. So first we want to make a dough with this dough we want to make. So add some salt according to your taste. I have added here half to 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Sprinkle some water and mix it well. Use your fingers for mix the dough. So don't add the water together. Sprinkle some water. So make it mix it well, so that the water and the puttu powder should mix together and it forms into a nice puttu podi. Okay, so when you press it in your palm, it forms into a small lump, and when you break that lump will break easily. That is the texture for this puttu powder. So now it is ready. Now we can keep it aside for some time. So this puttu powder is ready now. Just press it and we can rest it for some time. So in the meanwhile we can prepare the filling. So for that I took the jackfruit. So into the jackfruit I am adding the coconut. So this coconut, according to your taste, you can change the coconut. I am adding here this much of coconut over here. Half cup of coconut I added here. Mix it well. So this jackfruit is very sweet and very good for this steam cake. So you don't need to add any sugar or anything into it. Already jaggery is added. It's a very nice recipe. So just mix it very well. So if you don't want to add this much coconut, means you can limit that coconut. Okay, now it is ready. I am adding some more coconut. So the jackfruit is very healthy for us also. Instead of jackfruit, we also use coconut alone, or we can use chenna curry for this puttu also. Here I am using the filling as a jackfruit. Otherwise simply we will use only coconut. Okay, now we can cook that puttu steam cake. So I am using the pressure cooker over here. So in the pressure cooker pour some water. That water should boil properly. So while it is boiling, we can fill that fillings inside this puttu maker. So first we want to add that disc shaped one, and in that, for that one, first we want to add coconut. First filling should be that, the bottom filling should be coconut only. You must not add jackfruit that time. First fillings is coconut. Okay, then you want to add that dough. So in that puttu maker, I'm adding some dough now. 2 handful of dough I added. Next, you can add 2 teaspoon of jackfruit mixture. That fillings you can add, sweet fillings. 2 tablespoon of according to your spoon. According to your taste, you can vary it. You can add some more also. So then you are adding again. You want to add that dough. Again adding some more dough into that. 2 handful of dough, and again adding that filling, jackfruit filling. So you must not press that fillings and all. Just put it loosely. Must not press the dough or jackfruit. You must not press it. If you press and keep, means the steam will not come out properly. Then it will not be cooked. So don't press it. So you want to see whether the steam is coming out of that cooker. The water must boil and the steam must come out of the cooker. Then only you want to place that puttu maker on that pressure cooker. Now steam is coming for me. So I am keeping that puttu maker on the pressure cooker and close it with the lid. So it takes 5 to 7 minutes. So according to the quantity it differs. So for me it takes 5 to 7 minutes for cooking. So how you will understand whether it is cooked or not is steam will be coming out from that hole. So you can see it's a small hole, isn't it? The steam comes out. Comes out from the hole, so that we can understand that it is cooked. So you can able to see the steam coming out from the puttu maker. Now the steam cake is ready. So when the steam comes out, you can sim the gas stove and wait for 1 or 2 minutes, and you can remove it. You can take it from the pressure cooker. So now it is ready. So I am serving in a plate. So delicious, healthy puttu is ready. Jackfruit wheat puttu or steam cake is ready now. This is very healthy recipe. So you can see that at the bottom it is coconut, and the middle and up only I am putting jackfruit. Don't put at the bottom jackfruit. The steam will not come properly. Every time the bottom you want to use only coconut. So it is a very nice recipe. All of you try this recipe and you can tell your comments. Okay, thank you.